More trouble is coming. Every morning, more trouble. Where's the other trouble?
Where?
I don't know.
Huh?
Where is he? Where's the other trouble?
I think the other trouble.
Sleeping?
I see.
You see more trouble? Oh, more trouble. More trouble. There he is. There's our trouble. Who's the biggest? Who's the biggest troublemaker? Is it you? Oh my goodness. You?
Yes.
Okay.
Who is the biggest?
All of you. Crazy.
Big steps.
Daddy
big
is
steps.
just eager to get her to walk.
Yeah, you'll be running soon. Big steps. Yeah. Big steps. Tired? Tired already?
Toys?
Actions. You'll get 2 toys in your hand. So that works. Ready? This way. 2 toys. Come on, hold it. Hold it. Hold it. Okay.
Oh.
At least you're standing. One step. Yeah.
Yay!
That's your first step. Now we need 2. Ready? 2 steps. 2 steps. Let's go. 1. Yeah, too wide. Sorry. Too wide.
Uh-oh.
So 1 step. Step a day. Come on, here, again. Again. Hold. Ready? Okay. Try again, buddy.
Starting our day off at Yin Tang. So basically, do your own style, do it yourself hot pot. That's me on the wall. Do it yourself hot pot right here. Choose your broth, choose your veggies, choose your meats, proteins, and extra seafood, all that good stuff. Just a fair warning, no carbs.
All beef.
Okay. There's like literally no way I could sabotage you if you're picking it yourself. Just to let you know, no way I could sabotage you.
Time is the thing.
Where are all the veggies? This guy should get more veggies. Here we have the sauce bar, do it yourself kind of situation. Here's my hot pot. Brian said for an additional fee, you can go back in the kitchen and cook it yourself. You're so lazy. He didn't even want to get his own sauce. Do it yourself.
Hey, to be served.
Bon appetit. Oh, look how cute this is. It's a rabbit. This guy, what did you buy? Hello? All day. All day. Huh?
It's just electronics.
Electronics.
I gotta check what's here.
This guy's seriously on a shopping spree.
Let's see. What we got. Why, you interested?
Well, I just want to know what I have to trash next.
Just electronics?
Goodness. Just buying all this stuff, trashing the house, and I legit wrap everything up and return it. Because he's too lazy to. He's like, I buy, meh, I don't care for it. Throws it around in the house. Wasting money. What's that?
It's more plastic for the environment.
Oh, wow.
Sensors. Let's see. Christmas calendar. Trash. What is this?
We like a more exciting unboxing, please.
Huh?
A more exciting
So you
unboxing.
gotta unbox it.
Well, then you gotta tell me what you're excited about.
Okay, well then, come over here where you can see it.
I'm here babysitting Minnie. I got food on my shirt.
I'm trying to figure out myself.
It's like Christmas every day for this guy.
This is a power supply, 12 volts.
For?
I'm thinking doing a project with a bunch of lights, so.
Oh my goodness. He's gonna light up this house for Christmas, for Halloween, for fall, permanent situation.
There's that.
Oh my
Let's see
goodness.
what
Next up,
Oh,
what you got?
these are a sensors kit.
A sensors kit, huh?
So there's a bunch of different sensors I could play with, like some force sensors, some motion sensors, photo sensors. So there's like 37 sensors here.
Oh my goodness.
This is a Adreno board kit.
For?
So I could program different things. So you could, when something happens, you program it does things. So you could do like light effects.
He's trying to do a Christmas light synchronization
Or,
on this house.
Motors or something. This is a voltage source, so you could vary the voltage for testing. A little test bench.
This new camera, when you zoom in, it's all blurry.
Really?
Yeah,
This is
it's like
dark.
super
You
blurry.
see her climb?
Yes.
Oh my goodness! Get out of here! Get out of here!
She's been climbing for a moment now,
Right
honey.
here.
Honey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at her ears starting to flare out like her dad. Oh my goodness. Did you? No, say mama. Nah. Okay, she came for food, like her dad. Always here for food.
Sensors.
Oh my gosh.
So these are like little small force resistive sensors.
Mm-hmm.
So when you step on it, it changes the resistance. So I'm thinking of doing some flooring. Put these all on the flooring.
Flooring?
You know how in Toontown, how like they jump on that bridge and it makes those sounds? So I'm gonna put some force sensors, and then when the kids jump, it'll make a sound. And then have some lights, LED lights. So I just gotta program it in, program the LED lights, program some sounds, and then so when they step on floors, it goes ding, ding, and then lights go on.
Oh my god.
Isn't
You're
that
so
gonna be fun?
lucky we're trying to get rid of flooring.
It's just a small section. She's gonna love it. She can jump all over the flooring. We'll see.
Okay, what's in the big box?
Oh, I don't know.
Scaring me.
I gotta see. It's light.
What are you doing shopping all day? You should be working.
It's working.
I should be shopping.
It's part of my retirement plan.
Oh, wow.
I hit 40. I'm retired. I just work on the side and then do fun projects. Let's see what I got. What's here?
Work on the side, but he has a work conference to go to
Handle care. Is this
on
you or
Thursday.
me?
What is that?
I don't know. I mean, you got so much crap.
I haven't bought anything in like forever. Why don't you use your 10,000 razor blades that you bought all over this house? That's right, you can't find one.
Oh, downstairs.
The struggles he'd rather do than walk downstairs, burn some calories to open this. What you got?
I'm trying to figure out myself. Oh, it's a toy. This isn't for me then. Let's see what's fun. Scan the QR code for a gift. Disney, my first mini plane.
Who's it from?
Who's that from?
What is it, Minnie?
Oh, so it's for a little Minnie.
Minnie?
Yeah, let's see, what does it say here? Didn't say who's from.
Okay.
For Minnie. Well, thanks for whoever got it. Let's see.
Oh, wow. This looks like something Jenny and Sharon would get. Because
so it matches.
they like to load up my house with a bunch of cars.
Me? Come on. She's into it.
Here goes. Here goes.
There
Here
you
comes trouble.
Like this. Yay! Alright, let's see. Out in the open. And our feet reaches. Okay, go ahead. Still walking.
Oh my goodness. Hi, girly.
Press the button. Let's turn off the light.
What is it, Minnie?
It's like a little programmable controller for the light.
Oh, wow.
Could be some light.
Ryan's always
programming.
trying to find other ways and options to like stay home.
Stay home.
Like you want everything to be done at home. Kids enjoy at home. You don't want to get out of this house. You don't want to eat outside. You say everything has to be done at home.
Better at home.
And I'm like, somebody has to cook
Do it yourself.
at home and clean up after you at home. And then somebody got to put this in for the kids to play at home. And it costs money to have everything at home.
And give you good tip.
To make and break. What I mean by break is in a few years we got to break it down. Kids are old.
Power supply. Uh-oh. Force sensors.
Look at her. Minnie. No. No. Who said you can climb up there? No. Lee, get down. Get down. You're going to fall. My goodness. Get down. Jeez. Jeez. No. She's a little joker like her daddy. Rain. What did daddy make? What's this? Rain, what's this? What is it? What is it?
Is it smell?
What is it?
It is.
What is it?
It's
Ducky.
ducky.
Ducky. Say quack quack. Quack quack. Say ducky. Quack quack. I'm assuming this is a duck flute. Chirp chirp. Give it to mommy. Here. Mommy show you. What is it? Duck. Quack quack. Here, come here. Let me see. I showed you. I'll show you. Okay, here goes. I think it is. I'm not sure. Go. Maybe Daddy will show you later.
The baby is tired.
Yeah, baby's tired, so mommy's tired too. Scooper's so sweet.
I think I'll come. I think.
Scoot on.
He was giving me a hug. He said, "Oh, mommy, you're tired because baby's in belly," and I was like, "Yeah." And so he's just been cuddling me. He does a better job than you.
I made another whistle.
Let me see.
There's water in it though, so you have to be careful.
Careful.
No, not licking it.
Rain
There.
and sky.
No, right there. Okay. No, from here. There you go.
Birdie.
Whistle.
Bird, bird.
Yeah.
Can I have it?
Bird, go get a bird. Go get the bird.
Onion.
Oh my God. Say bird.
You have to, don't cover this one. It's only the top. Don't cover the bottom.
How?
Here. Do this one. Blow only the top. Don't cover your lips. Here. There you go. The bird calling
Oh
whistle.
my goodness.
What?
It's for calling birds.
And who are the pigeons that you're trying to call?
Oh, the ladies.
I knew
Pigeon call.
exactly what he's trying to say. The pigeon call.
Bird call!
You're starting them young. Oh my god. Uh-oh, watch out for the water, honey.
Don't shake it. Get water everywhere. Your turn.
Sky's turn.
Yeah, my turn to put on water.
Look at all this mess on the floor.
Dehydrate.
Scooper, this is mommy's medicine for baby only.
How about me?
No.
I have a bad cough though.
So this is medicine. I don't think you like it.
He's gonna be an actor when he grows up,
Is
huh?
it chocolate medicine?
It's for baby, so baby
But-
gets hungry and baby wants medicine, so medicine.
And she wants sweet medicine.
Yeah, sweet medicine. But I don't think you like it though.
I like it.
How do you know? You didn't even try. It's vegetables.
What?
They're
It's
vegetables.
vegetable chocolate.
Can I try?
Are you even sick? Are you sure you want medicine?
I tried it.
Okay, which one do you want?
Oh wow, you got something.
Oh, they all want the sprinkles. Okay, mommy gonna give it to daddy, and daddy will take you over to the sprinkles area, over on the table. Go with daddy. Go with daddy. Over there, daddy cut it up. Thank you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
I see it.
You see it? Okay, I go break it up.
Go daddy. Go daddy.
Okay, he can have a piece of that one. He doesn't care about it.
Chocolate? You want chocolate?
Okay, the brothers go first. They're smallest.
I want the biggest.
Well, what if they pick the biggest? Pick one. No, let
I
Skyhopper.
want this one.
Let Skyhopper pick one first. Pick one, Sky.
You take out it.
Go ahead. Take it.
Oh.
Go. Get it. That one. Ryan Scooper, you're last. You're the big boy. Dave, okay, no. Rain Track's turn. You got one. Rain Tracks, pick one. Okay, Scooper's turn. Okay, you can get two.
You say thank you?
That's all.
You like the vegetable?
Are you feeling better?
A freaking kiwo.
Need more medicine?
I think I need a whole medicine.
A whole medicine instead of half? Okay,
That
all
one.
done.
Hmm?
All done, no more.
No more what?
No more medicine.
That's a medicine for me.
You already had some, honey. You had mommy's chocolate. Chocolate for baby. You ate it all.
Yes, but can I have one more tomorrow because I have a bad cough?
We shall see. Okay, you gotta do your homework today. Did you have homework today?
Yeah. Hit homework from last week.
Yo, what is going on? What is going on right now? Seriously.
Experimenting.
What happened to work?
This is retirement work.
I'm watching Love is Blind. Love is Blind. Don't even. Love is Blind. Because Steve said he's watching it, so we're on the same wavelengths. This pregnancy is so whacked. I got chicken feet the other day and I took it home to go because I couldn't eat it, and now I can't even finish it. And I love chicken feet. Like, love. What's wrong with me, Brian? He's not even listening. He doesn't care. I love this.
I love you.
I love you.
Yeah, you guys are gonna make me barf too.
I meant everything I said. I want you to know. Nothing's changed. I love you.